The National Weather Service has issued Tornado Watch number 47, effective until midnight Friday or 1 a.m. Friday. This watch includes the following county: White, Illinois, and the following counties in Indiana: Gibson, Pike, Posey, Spencer, Vanderburgh, and Warwick, and the following counties in Kentucky: Henderson and Union. Remember, a tornado watch means the conditions are favorable for the development of severe weather, including tornadoes, large hail, and damaging winds in and close to the watch area. While severe weather may not be imminent, persons should remain alert for rapidly changing weather conditions and listen for later statements and possible warnings. Stay tuned to NOAA weather radio, commercial radio and television outlets, or internet sources for the latest severe weather information. Repeating, Tornado Watch number 47 has been issued until midnight Friday or 1 a.m. Friday for the following county: White, Illinois, and the following counties in Indiana: Gibson, Pike, Posey, Spencer, Vanderburgh, and Warwick, and the following counties in Kentucky: Henderson and Union. The National Weather Service in Paducah has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northwestern White County in southeastern Illinois, Wayne County in south-central Illinois, eastern Jefferson County in south-central Illinois, Edwards County in southeastern Illinois, northern Hamilton County in south-central Illinois, until 8:45 p.m. At 7:42 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Xenia to near Blueford to near Rend Lake area, moving east at 40 miles per hour. Expected hazards include 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. Hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Mount Vernon, Fairfield, Albion, Rend Lake area, Wayne City, West Salem, Blueford, Shinn, Ina, Dahlgren, Bonnie, Jeffersonville, Belle Rive, Sims, Nasson, Mill Shoals, Springerton, Mount Erie, Keens, and Johnsonville. This includes the following highways: Interstate 57 in Illinois between mile markers 81 and 91. Interstate 64 in Illinois between mile markers 79 and 124. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 8:45 p.m. for the following counties in Illinois: Edwards, Hamilton, and White. Has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for White County in southeastern Illinois, southeastern Wayne County in south-central Illinois, Wabash County in southeastern Illinois, Edwards County in southeastern Illinois, southeastern Hamilton County in south-central Illinois, central Gibson County in southwestern Indiana, Posey County in southwestern Indiana, until 9 p.m. At 8:22 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located near Mount Erie to Golden Gate to near Norris City, Illinois, moving east at 50 miles per hour. Expected hazards include 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. Hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Princeton, Mount Carmel, Mount Vernon, Carmi, Albion, Grayville, Lancaster, Owensville, Norris City, Porterville, West Salem, New Harmony, Crossville, Patoka, Enfield, Cynthiana, Blairsville, Allendale, New Haven, and Belmont. This includes the following highways: Interstate 64 in Indiana between mile markers 1 and 17. Interstate 64 in Illinois between mile markers 115 and 130. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 9 p.m. for the following counties in Illinois: Edwards, Hamilton, Wabash, and White, and the following counties in Indiana: Gibson and Posey. National Weather Service in Paducah has issued a tornado warning for northeastern Wabash County in southeastern Illinois, northeastern Gibson County in southwestern Indiana, northwestern Pike County in southwestern Indiana, until 9:15 p.m. or 10:15 p.m. At 8:41 p.m. or 9:41 p.m., a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located near Mount Carmel, moving east at 55 miles per hour. Expected hazards include tornado and quarter-size hail. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. Flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. This dangerous storm will be near Patoka around 8:45 p.m. Petersburg around 10 p.m. Other locations impacted by this tornadic thunderstorm include Hazleton and Allendale. This includes Interstate 69 in Indiana between mile markers 39 and 52. Take cover now. Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. Repeating, a tornado warning has been issued until 9:15 p.m. or 10:15 p.m. for the following county: Wabash, Illinois, and the following counties in Indiana: Gibson and Pike. The National Weather Service in Paducah has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Warwick County in southwestern Indiana, Vanderburgh County in southwestern Indiana, Central Spencer County in southwestern Indiana, Gibson County in southwestern Indiana, Posey County in southwestern Indiana, Pike County in southwestern Indiana, until 9:45 p.m. or 10:45 p.m. At 8:55 p.m. or 9:55 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Vincennes to near Princeton to 7 miles west of Mount Vernon, moving east at 50 miles per hour. Expected hazards include 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. Hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Evansville, Princeton, Mount Vernon, Boonville, Newburgh, Chandler, Fort Branch, Oakland City, Petersburg, Melody Hill, Dale, Hobstadt, Darmstadt, Owensville, Porterville, Linville, Winslow, Patoka, Cynthiana, and Santa Claus. This includes the following highways: Interstate 69 in Indiana between mile markers 1 and 52. Interstate 64 in Indiana between mile markers 11 and 60. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 9:45 p.m. or 10:45 p.m. for the following counties in Indiana: Gibson, Pike, Posey, Spencer, Vanderburgh, and Warwick.